Hello there. So for today's video, guys, this will be an easy one again. Um, we will be showing you how to fix the feature in Roblox that says this experience is restricted by your parental controls. So this happens if the age requirement or the restriction in your Roblox is already set and that it does not align with your age in your account. So what we're going to do is click on the settings option on the top right corner, and then once you're in, click on the parental controls on the left tab side, and then as you can see here, there are different options, and my account is set for 13 plus, but you can there's also 17 plus, 9 plus, but let's say for example we want to set it 17 plus, and then what we're going to do is to create a 4-digit PIN that was set to our email, and then confirm your PIN. And then once you set that up, and then that will go to another verification, and then once you go through that, you're in and you already passed through the parental controls and you're good to go. Thank you for watching.